Want to speak real Cantonese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at CantoneseClass101.com.
Hi everybody, Olivia here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is, how do you use the possessive particle, ge? Ge is a possessive particle, and when combined with a pronoun, it's similar to apostrophe s in English, as well as the possessive pronoun my, mine, your, yours, ours, his, hers, theirs, and its. Let's see how to use it. Your or yours in Cantonese is 你嘅,你嘅. For example, you can say 呢本書係唔係你嘅? Which means, is this your book? My or mine is 我嘅. His or hers is 佢嘅, and so on. Now, why is ge omitted in some cases? Ge usually can be omitted when it is used after the adjective to convert a descriptive phrase into a simple phrase. For example, you can say 高山, tall mountain, instead of 高嘅山, a mountain that is tall. There are also other usages. Ge in some cases acts like the relative pronoun that or which. For example, 請問有冇去上海嘅火車飛? 請問有冇去上海嘅火車飛? Are there any tickets left on the train to Shanghai? The phrase 去上海, going to Shanghai, is to modify the noun train ticket, 火車飛. So, 去上海嘅火車飛, the train tickets for going to Shanghai. How was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comment and I'll try to answer them. See you next time. 下次見!